How to change TikTok to business account from personal account in couple of simple steps. Hit the like button and follow my instructions. So first of all, open up TikTok application. Here press on profile, it's on the bottom right. Then press these three lines on the top right. Here select settings and privacy. And here look for manage account on the very top. And then we can see at the account control section switch to business account. Let's tap on it. Here we can choose a category of our business. We can pick whatever we want, for example gaming. Press next. And it's almost done. Now we can edit profile and write here some information about our business, such as name, username, bio, email. Also we can change category here and add Instagram or YouTube account. That's it. I hope this video was useful for you. Like and subscribe.